Hi and welcome. This is just a quick and simple unboxing of the Sony ZV1 so you can see what comes along in the box. So let's get into this. I'll spin this around here and take off this safety tag, like so. Pop it open, and inside, first off, we have the 1-year extended warranty information. We have some more paperwork. There's a booklet here, pretty thick with lots of different languages. Okay, we're getting close. Let's lift the lid here. And now we're getting into the exciting stuff. We have here a USB cable, standard operation. Right here we have the dead cat for the mic. Very soft. Following on, 2 more things to go. I'm sure you can guess what one of them are. Here's the other, it's the battery. And the grand finale is right here. Now for the reveal, let's just take a look. Let's just slip her out, just like that. Lovely piece of kit. So make sure you subscribe, give the video a thumbs up. I'll be doing more videos in and around the Sony to help you use it. Come back soon. Thanks for watching and have a great day ahead.